गोयच्या अभियांत्रिकी उत्पादनांच्या निर्यातीत 36% वाढ जाल्या असे मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले। पश्चिम विभागात अभियांत्रिकी उत्पादनांच्या निर्यातीत सगळ्यात नेटान योगदान दिवपी राज्यामधले गोय हे एक राज्य आसा। राज्याची अभियांत्रिकी उत्पादनांची निर्यात 2024-25 वर्सा 405.8 मिलियन आशिल्ली ती 2025-26 वर्सा 5.6 मिलियन मेरेन वाढ जाल्या असे मुख्यमंत्री सावंतान सांगले। पळया
गोयच्या अभियांत्रिकी उत्पादनांच्या निर्यातीत 36% वाढ जाल्या। ही उल्लेखनीय कामगिरी गुंतवणूकदारांचो वाढत आशिल्लो विश्वास, उद्देगाची तांक, कामगारांची कुशळटाय आणि गोयच्या उद्देगीक पर्यावरण यंत्रणेचे जावपी सक्षमीकरण दाखयता अशें मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत सांगता।
From the engineering export of barely around the $10 million in 1950s, the India has today achieved the engineering exports worth of $122.43 billion in the financial year 25-26. This remarkable growth story reflects the determination of the Indian industry and the visionary policies of the Government of India. Today, engineering exports are the largest contributors to India's merchandise exports. The logistic challenges, tariff pressures, and changing market dynamics, the India's engineering exports is a registered growth of 4.86% in 25-26. This achievement demonstrates the resilience of the India's manufacturing and exporters. Goa emerged as one of the fastest growing engineering export contributors in the western region. Goa's engineering exports increased from $405.8 million in 24-25 to the $550.6 million in 26, recording the remarkable growth of the 36%. This growth reflects the rising confidence of investors, the capability of our industries, the skill of our workforce, and improving the industrial ecosystem in Goa.
गोय भौगोलिक नदरेन ल्हान असले तरी ताचे उद्देगीक क्षेत्रातले योगदान महत्वाचे आसा। ल्हान राज्य आसून लेगीत वखदां, रसायनां, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, अन्न प्रक्रिया आणि हेर मुखेल उत्पादन क्षेत्रांत राज्यान आपली वळख निर्माण केल्या अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सांगले।
Goa may be geographically small, but our industrial contribution is significant. Our state has built the strong reputations in pharmaceuticals, engineering, in shipbuilding supporting industries, food processing, electronics, chemicals, and prestigious manufacturing. We are steadily emerging as the preferred destinations for knowledge-driven and export-oriented industry.
गोय सूक्ष्म, ल्हान आणि मध्यम उद्देगांक तशेंच निर्यातीक फाटबळ दिवपा खातीर कटिबद्ध आसा अशें मुख्यमंत्री सांगता। आयकत
Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, PM Gati Shakti, National Logistic Policy, the production link incentives, the Digital India, Skill India, Startup India, and ease of doing the business reform. The Government of India has also strengthened the export competitiveness through free trade agreements, logistic support measures, export credit facilitations, digitalizations of the trade documentation, the custom modernizations, and targeted support for the MSME and exporters. The MSME are the backbone of the India's export ecosystem. Nearly 60% of the EPC India's membership itself comes from MSME sector. These enterprises create jobs, encouraging innovation, strengthen local supply chain, and contributes immensely to inclusive the economic growth. Fully committed to supporting the MSMEs and exports through the proactive industrial policies, investor facilitation, skill development, infrastructure strengthening, and digital governance. We are focusing on industrial infrastructure modernization, faster clearance through the single window system, promoting of the logistic and warehouse facilities, the skill enhancement and industrial orientation training, startup and innovation support.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही।